So again, now look at the date.
With more than 30 years of experience, working on cars is nothing new for automotive instructor Rick Montenegro.
Regular color.
His job is to pass that extensive knowledge onto students at Monrovia High School.
Whether they get into the industry or not doesn't really matter to me. I want to enlighten them about the cars. Pretty much all my students are going to be driving on the road.
Automotive Science is one of the CTE pathways students can take at MHS, providing hands-on experience for those interested in working on cars.
You're learning, this is what you look for when you're buying a car. This is how to change oils. This is brake. This is how you change brakes. They're all really easy in what you should be able to do.
Tom Hover is one of Montenegro's top students. He's been in the program for 3 years, and you can tell he knows what he's doing. He says coming to school to work on different vehicles is almost too good to be true.
I enjoy just the hands-on aspect of this. For my freshman year, I had this first period, and it's generally the only reason I ever wanted to go to school.
The high schoolers take turns bringing in their cars so the entire class can work on different makes, models, and problems.
Look at George's.
There are even some long-term projects to work on, like this vintage ride that needs its engine put back in. It's a lot of work, but that doesn't scare off students like Gio Martinez.
I love working, I like working with my hands, going out and do stuff. I've been helping out my dad in his business since I was like 8 years old, and he owns a wheel and tire shop, so that's why you see me out there on the tires.
The Automotive Science pathway is an excellent option for students wanting to know more about cars or wanting to work on them as a career in the future. Hover and Martinez say they would recommend the class and the instructor to anyone.
I would say 100% do so. It is a very enjoyable class, and you can do it for 1 year, 2 years, even 3 years. So when you're a sophomore and junior, take the chance.
I love Mr. Mr. a heck of a teacher. I feel like if maybe it was a different teacher, maybe I wouldn't be so motivated, although, because he's a really cool guy, not just as a teacher, but as a person.